Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage App Store notifications on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on the App Store. Then you want to go to notifications, and here, as you can see, you can turn off the whole notifications from the App Store. Also, you can set it to the time-sensitive notifications, so it means that are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. So you can set this feature on. I'm going to set it off. Then you can choose which alerts you would like to have. So only on the lock screen. Do you want to have the notification on the lock screen? Do you want to have it in the notification center, or do you want to have a banner? So as you can see. Also, you can, if you have the banners on, you can choose the banner style or the temporary or persistent. Persistent means that you need to swipe it to hide it. Then you can turn off the sound on the badges of the App Store, as you can see just by tapping on those buttons right here. Also, on the lock screen appearance, you can show previews, and as default this is set to always. I'm going to set it when unlocked, and notification grouping you can set by app or off or automatic. It depends on you. So yeah, also you can go to the App Store notification settings, and here as you can see now is using wanting to use my location. Also in the App Store notification settings you can go to the new features and updates if you want to have those. I don't want to, and you can go with the recommendation that offers. I don't want also to have those notifications, so just adjust this up to your needs and then click just done. So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.